Good morning, beautiful people. On our soul journey for today, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to talk about our intuition. And I believe that when we refer to intuition, a lot of times we think about it as a sixth sense sort of thing. I want to talk about it in a little bit different way, and I want to give an example, because I believe many of us don't use our intuition or know that we have one, and we don't pay attention to it. And here is my example. There has been this screensaver on my computer for, I don't know how long, many days, but it's of sheep going like an overview of beautiful pasture and sheep. There's no shepherd, there's no herding dog, just a group of sheep, and they're going through a fence line, and it's just beautiful scenery. I didn't pay much attention to it. And then I don't know how many days later, if anybody knows my history, I was deeply steeped in the Christian religion, and very much of some type of a Bible scholar of some sorts, and was really into Scripture for over 30 years. So the Scripture ran through my head one day, a partial of it, and it was, "We like sheep have gone astray." And so what I want to mention here is to pay attention to things like that. Pay attention to things that come into your mind. Sometimes they have a different feel to them. And so this scripture came into my mind, and so I looked up the scripture, and just to see, I felt like it was leading me somewhere. It had the particular type of feeling to it. We're talking about following our intuition here. And, it's a scripture in Isaiah. And I read the scripture, and it's a two-part scripture. And I let myself sort of, think about the meaning of the scripture as two parts. I was thinking about that again this morning. And I realized that my intuition was leading me towards the first part, and the second part is for another day. So we like sheep have gone astray. So sometimes our intuition, which I believe is connected to our soul person, our higher self, was leading me to contemplate on that and to open my mind and to get some information on we like sheep have gone astray. So in the course of humanity here, we are like sheep, which means when we are in our conscious self, our programmed self, the self of us who says you are a woman, a man, a husband, a wife, a child, a teacher, a professional, a gardener, whatever who you believe you are and what you do and what your purpose is, or whether you feel you have no purpose or not. Set aside all of that. And in our humanity, we are like sheep. We need leadership, guidance. And without following leadership and guidance, we go astray. And what do we go astray from? So that's what my intuition, my higher self, when I was letting myself surrender to some information, what have we gone astray from? And why are we like sheep? Well, sheep are very innocent, you might say. And unless they have leadership, they put themselves in harm's way. They're just sort of grazing around. They don't really know where they're going. They're just living the life, on the pasture, looking to survival, in a survival mode, and they don't protect themselves. So we are like that in our humanity, where we don't have direction, or we may have direction, but it's not ours. We're just going with the flow. We're going with whatever leadership says, go this way, go that way. This is the better way. This is harmful for you. This is not harmful for you. And we just go with whatever is in front of us and telling us which is the way to go. And we're led astray because we don't know any better. We think that we're safe, and we think that we're going where we should be going, but like sheep, not in a higher level of consciousness. We've gone astray from our higher self, our spiritual self, our true purpose. And I think that's what my intuition, my higher self was showing me on my screensaver, and bringing that verse to my mind, that sometimes we can have the very best intentions. We can have goals, and they can be pure goals. They can be goals to help humanity. They can be, goals for a better life. They can be, goals of the best intentions. But if it is not connected to our higher self, it is not connected to our soul purpose, it is still astray. It is still the wrong leadership. It is still not our true, authentic soul self. That, the reason why we're here for a purpose. And until we connect to our intuition, till we connect to our higher purpose, then we, like sheep, are astray. And we need to learn how to, to kind of connect all the parts of us, mind, body, soul. And I just wanted to, I know this is getting lengthy, but I wanted to share that with you about we like sheep have gone astray. And we'll talk about that more. Precious ones, have a beautiful day.